Here's how to convert Webflow to WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open your Chrome browser. To convert Webflow to WordPress, first we need to install an extension of Udesly in Chrome browser. So to do that, search here for Udesly. You can see here there are many results, but you have to click on udesly.com. That is first link. Next window will look like this. You can scroll down and you can check read terms and policies of Udesly. After this, scroll up and then click on Discover App button, which is on the upper right corner of the screen. After this, new window will open. Now you have to scroll down and then you can see here an option of Chrome extension. Just click on Install Now button. After some time, new page will open. Here you can scroll down and you can read some important instructions about Udesly. Make sure to read all of them. After this, click on Add to Chrome button. After some time, new pop-up will open and then you have to click on Add Extension button. So after some time, you can see here, Udesly template configuration has been added to your Chrome browser. From this option, you can check Udesly extension. But now it's not active. It will be active when you open your Webflow Designer dashboard. So now open your Webflow dashboard. It will look like this. Now click on Extension button. Now you can see here that Udesly extension is enabled. After this, you can also pin it on the upper bar. So next, simple, you have to click on Udesly extension. New pop-up will open. It will look like this. Now you can see that there are 4 options you have, that is Webflow to Shopify, Webflow to WordPress, Webflow to Jamstack, Webflow to Ghost. So we want to convert from Webflow to WordPress, so we have to click on it. But if you want another, you can choose from here. After this, you can see it's done. You can read this. The page will automatically refresh in 3 seconds. After some time, the zip file will start downloading on your computer. After this, you have to click on this button. New pop-up will look like this. To do this, make sure you have Upgrade Plan of Webflow. If you don't have Webflow Upgrade Plan, then you can't do that. But next, you just have to download this zip file. After this, come back to the Udesly official website. Make sure you have created your account here. After this, scroll down and then click on this button, which is Webflow to WordPress. Next, you just have to upload your zip file here and then click on Convert button. After this, come back to your WordPress website. And here you can see that I have opened my WordPress dashboard. Now you have to click on Appearance button, which is on the left side of the screen. And then click on Theme button. Here you have to click on Add New button. Next window will look like this. After this, you have to click on Upload Theme button. Next, click on Choose Theme button and then upload previous downloaded file here. So in this way, you can convert Webflow to WordPress.